Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Stranger Loki, okay? And on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I install my Distressed Faux Locs. It's very easy and simple and quick as well. So I'm going to also show you how you can actually knot the tips, the ends of your first lock, because I noticed that a lot of people find it difficult to lock the ends of their locks also. So if this is what you want to see, let's dive into the video. I didn't actually want the video to take too much time, so I already pre-braid my hair. So all I need to do whenever I'm installing my hair, I always make sure that my hair is freshly washed. So make sure your hair is freshly washed. It helps a lot. And what I do next is to apply oil on my scalp. It really helps, most especially when you keep natural hair. Just apply the oil on my scalp and then massage it onto my scalp. That is all I do. It helps a lot, most especially when you're keeping a natural hair. And the extension we're going to be using is a silky and soft extension. I actually bought 3 of these extensions, but I end up using 1.5. I was thinking I was going to use more than 2, but I end up using 1.5. And then you're also going to be needing a crochet pin. Definitely you will be needing a crochet pin. Like I said earlier on, I don't want the video to take too long, so I've already done like 70% of the first locks already, but I'm just going to show you how I actually install them. So what you do is to put your crochet pin at the roots, the base of your hair, should I say root or the base of your hair, then hook the extension into the crochet pin and then lock the crochet pin before taking it out of your hair. Yes, then when you take it out, take the crochet pin out, you pull out one side of the extension. When you're putting it into the pin, make sure that one side is longer than one so that you can easily bring it out and pull it out. So that is what I did. And I don't actually want the locks to be equal. I don't want them to be on the same length, so I'll just measure the particular length that I wanted in that particular locks, then I will just wrap it up. So what I do also before wrapping it up, I just unravel the extension, the side I'm going to use to twist the short side. Then I'm just going to unravel it because it looks better. It gives you more of that first locks look when you unravel it, and it look more kind of distressed when you unravel it. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. And if you take note of what I am doing, you will notice that after wrapping for some time, I just unravel it more because I don't actually want them to cling together while I'm wrapping it. This first lock tutorial is very easy and simple. I bet you can actually do it. It's very simple. So I'm just going to repeat the process over again. So guys, if you've watched to this very extent and you've not hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please support me by hitting on the subscribe button and pressing on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, please make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my video. And we do a lot of good stuff on this channel. We do a lot of hair tutorials, and if you're keeping a natural hair, then it's even a plus, because we do a lot of natural hair tutorials, and then we do makeup sometimes, and then we also do review on bag, clothes, shoe and accessories, and then we also do little more of vlogging as well. So if you want to see all these pieces put together, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing that. So look at how nice it came out. And then I'm also going to show you just one more trick that you can actually use on your faux locks. So what I did, I cut one of the extension into two, then unraveled one of it into two again. That means into four, right? So what I did is just to wrap it on the faux locks. When you wrap it on it, don't wrap it too tight, and when you wrap it on it, it just give it that full look, a bigger should I say bigger or fatter and look of faux locks, and then you just have the more of a distress, a rough look of the faux locks as well. It gives you that rough faux locks look. It doesn't unravel, so when you wrap it to the end, you can wrap it downward and then wrap it upward if you want, and then just wrap it together. Use your both hands to rub through it, and then it will just stick, just what I'm doing right now, and it stick. It doesn't go off, it does not unravel at all. So that's another trick for you guys if you want your extension to look more of a distressed locks, and if you want it to look bigger as well. All I'm just going to do now is to apply styling mousse on the first lock just to make it feel weak, and tie it down and allow it to dry. So right now the first locks look, it feels kind of weak, yeah. And then I'm just going to apply my wax on it. If you have natural fussy hair, like natural fussy hair, if your hair is hard, it's thick, please go for this wax gel. Seriously, this wax is like the number one. It's the only wax that I've been able to like lay my edges down for 24 hours. I bet you. My hair is short and it's thick. It's very hard. It's difficult, as in my natural hair is really very difficult, but with this wax it lays down for 24 hours. So if you have a very thick hard hair, go for this wax. It works perfectly well. You see it, you'll find it in any of these beauty shops. Now our first locks is ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. It looks very beautiful, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and hope you must have learned 1 or 2 tips on this tutorial. And if you are still watching, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my video. I love you guys, and please don't hesitate to drop a comment of which other video you would love to see on this channel, and I'm very available to make all the videos for you guys. And if you've not hit the subscribe button up to now, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button and pressing on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like I said, I always upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, please make sure your notification bell is on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye for now.